In front of me is Oppo Reno 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock, hit screen lock and tap on one of those lock-on methods. Then choose next in the pop-up. Tap on use a different password type if you change your mind and enter your lock-on method. Repeat it to confirm it. Tap on whatever you want to in fingerprint pop-up and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!